Which elements occur with the sun? There we go. If we look up here, most of the universe starts off with number one on the periodic table, hydrogen. And that's what most of the sun is hydrogen as well. And so we have two of them are hydrogen and carbon, and hydrogen and helium. Well, everything on the periodic table, as we go up, we take these hydrogens and we fuse them together to make something heavier, and the next element we see on the periodic table is helium. So the sun is primarily hydrogen and helium. If you wanted to go on further, D would be the answer, but if you wanted to go on further, if you started to fuse helium in bigger stars, it would turn into things like carbon and oxygen. If you keep fusing it with even larger stars, you keep going up, all the way up to iron. Iron is the heaviest element that can be fused in the center of a star. Now, where do all these other elements come from? Basically, iron is the last thing that can be fused that will release energy. After this occurs, if you have an iron core and like the really large supergiants, they will get to this iron core stage. But then they'll run out where they can't fuse anymore. There's nothing that iron will fuse into, and they will gravitationally collapse. And sometimes they will rebound and explode in a supernova. And sometimes, if they're big enough, they'll try to explode, but they'll actually collapse into a black hole. These other elements that we find are from that supernova explosion, where we're fusing up to iron, but we can actually get iron to fuse into other things. It just won't release energy when it does so. We can't do it in the center of a star.